How to add a payment method in Clickbank. Easy steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this process, I'm going to be quickly starting to tell you how you can add a payment method in your Clickbank. So obviously the Clickbank account process is pretty difficult, but once you create an account, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Clickbank account setting where you can add a payment method. Okay, and obviously payment method are needed to be added when it comes to affiliations, because that is how it verifies that you're actually, a proper person. So as you can see with Clickbank, you access multiple payment methods, and this includes, their direct deposit, bank transfer, PayPal, and check sent by mail. So you can also access their help article where they're going to tell you how you're going to get into the dashboard. So basically you're going to sign in with your account. Once you sign in with your account, what you're going to do from there is it's going to ask you to, verify things in the settings. So to receive payment, you must set your payment method in your nickname account. Otherwise, you will not get paid. So make sure to add those things, and you can add these three things. So, direct deposit, which is a direct deposit to your US bank accounts. But if you're outside of US, you can go with Payoneer. Okay, Payoneer is definitely a best option for, outside, and Payoneer would work amazingly for you. Or you can just go with wire transfer check if you are in the US or anywhere that is near these Clickbank servers. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now if you enjoyed watching, please make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.